All right, good morning. I made it to race day. It has been a crazy experience. I hope you watched all of this and you understand exactly how I'm feeling right now. But it's gonna be time for the intro. I'm here for the DFW BMW half marathon. And I'll talk to you later. All right, catch the intro. Watch the journey up until this day. It started back in September. It's now December 10th. So yeah, this video is taking a long time to come, but anyways, I will stop babbling. Watch the intro and the rest of the video, and I'll pick you up here in just a little bit when I start to run my race. All right, good morning, everybody. Today is day one of our training. Now, I've been training for a half marathon. So I did my run this morning. I did 7 miles, and this little girl is going to run with me in a Halloween dash in McKinney. So it's a 5K, so it's 3.1 miles, I think. Anyway, so she's never run a race before. Yes. And I asked her if she wanted to run, and what'd you say?
And I said yes.
Yeah, she said yes. So she's out training. We just did a quarter mile.
I'm gonna be Jasmine, and he might be a Boo, Genie, or Aladdin, or the magic carpet.
I don't know if I can be a magic carpet, but I think a monkey would be good for me. Anyway, so we ran a half mile. We're gonna do a full mile today. Run, walk. We're headed to the fountain, which is a half mile, and then we're gonna run back. So yeah. So you'll see our journey over the next month to get to the end of October, where we will do our run. And of course, you'll see it on the video. But for now, enough walking. We got to start running. Ready, Nana? Here we go. All right. Catch you up when we're done. How you feel? Yeah? Want to keep going 2 more? No. She says no. All right. We'll pick you up on the next training run. All right.
We're going for another walk.
That's right. Today is October 1st. We technically have about 28 days until our 3-mile Halloween run. So we're out for a morning training run. I've done 3.5 miles already. Eliana's gonna do the last mile with me, so we're gonna head down to the...
If I feel after this 1 mile, I might want to do 2 more.
Maybe. We're gonna do 1 and see how she feels. And then we might pick up 2 miles next week. And then...
after that, we might pick all 3 up.
Yeah, so it is nice and cool this morning. We're gonna get to the corner over here, and then we're gonna continue our run. So quick little quarter mile, take a walk break, and then we're gonna keep going. So enjoy the next slow motion of our second training run. All right, Nana, how you feel? Yeah?
You just asked me that.
I did, but I wanted to tell all the people here watching.
What?
We're going a little further than a mile. She's feeling pretty good, so we're gonna push her to 1.5 miles today. Oh, and there's a squirrel right there. Never a dull moment running with Eliana. Never a dull moment. Atta girl. There we go. Good job, Nana. Hey, come here, give me a high five. Good job, Nana. 1.5 miles. Woohoo! Hi, good morning. Guess what time it is? It's another training run.
We are running 2 miles today.
Yep, 2 miles. Obviously, you can tell by our gear that it is a little chilly out this morning.
Yes.
It is.
We are both wearing shorts.
Yeah, so I did 6 miles earlier. I have to do 2 more, so I'm running 8 total today. And Nana is running the last 2 with me. But it's like 55?
So 9 miles?
No, just 2, baby. So
that means you're running 10 miles.
no, I'm running 8 today.
What?
Yeah.
Oh,
So
so now you're running 9?
next week I'm running 9. Okay, so
And then after that you're running 10.
yes. So it's about 50 something odd degrees, a little chilly. So we've got our training gear on. I needed a hat today because I did 6 and I feel that it was cold. So anyways, we're gonna run 2 more miles and then we'll be done for the day. So it's time for me to stop yapping and for us to start running. Right, Nana? Yep. Here we go. All right, Nana. Hey, look. We did it. 2 miles. High five.
Yay!
Oh, yeah. Look who came on. Look who met us on the run.
Harrison and I did like a mile.
Two.
We walked a mile. We didn't run. We walked.
Well, I told you that I promised Harrison I'd get donuts. So then take a cool down lap around the little dog park here. And then we'll go get some donuts. What did Harrison tell you?
Harrison told me if I don't eat breakfast, then I'll get a donut. And if I eat breakfast, then I won't get a donut.
All right. Well, we're about to go get donuts as soon as we get back to the house. So the next scene, Eliana will do another 2 miles. And then we have an off week. And then we have race day. So 3 more weeks, 2 more weeks till the race. Anyways, we're getting close.
Her name is Miss Elsa. Yeah, that's on Alexa. That's not so cool now. Yes, it is.
What'd you guys get?
We got some donuts and some drinks because they deserved it.
I got strawberry.
What?
Go ahead and go all the way over, okay?
All right. Hello, everybody. It is race week.
Yeah.
Eliana and I are here for packet pickup. Ready?
It is very slippery, and the race is on Saturday.
It's been raining all week, and it's supposed to rain the week of the. It's supposed to rain Saturday morning during our race. So, anyways, we have to go right here, where the big skeleton is. Ooh, Nana, look at that skeleton. All right, let's go pick up our packet. Right through here. Ooh, what's our last name start with? I can't remember. Oh, Jake, that's right, right here. Right here.
What's your last name?
Jimenez. Jimenez.
Joseph.
Yes.
Joseph? Oh, Elena?
And Eliana. Yep. There we go.
Yeah,
My goodness, look at that.
These are the pins, so you can go drink.
Oh yeah, we need some of these. You get one? Just get one because there's 4 of them in there. Got it? All right, awesome. Anything we need to know about It's just everything's on the email?
Yes, we are waiting on shirts. They should be here around 4:30, but
Oh, okay.
we wouldn't really plan on.
Okay. So we just pick it up there or?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Uh-huh. You ready? Sorry, excuse us. All right, we got our bibs. Eliana's got her bib. Look at it. Yep. All right, got our bibs. Unfortunately, the shirts weren't there yet. So we'll have to pick those up on race day. But yeah, super excited for Eliana's first 5K. 3 miles, you ready? Are you ready to run in the rain?
Wait, no?
Well, no, on Saturday.
Yeah.
Yeah. Anyways, we'll pick you up. Yeah. We'll pick you up. The next thing you'll see is us on race day. So hopefully it doesn't rain, but yeah, we'll get our shirts and we'll show you everything that's there at the race. Well, today is race day, and we have chosen to not go. So as you can see, it's pouring down rain. Eliana is already coughing, and you know what? I don't want to go run in this. I mean, look at that. That's ridiculous. So, anyways, we're choosing to skip it, but I'm gonna continue the video, and I've had to take off a couple of weeks because of an injury, but we're gonna start running again, and you're gonna see the Dallas half marathon. So, not gonna get to show you the monster dash, which is kind of upsetting, but you know, that's all right. It's all right. We don't need to run in this. Absolutely not. No way. All right, good morning, everybody. It's race day. I am here for the BMW half marathon here in Dallas. Super excited, a little nervous. If you've been following this video all the way up to now, you know that I had a leg injury. I re-aggravated it this week, but I'm here. I've got some good painkillers in me, and I'm ready to go. So it is about 34 degrees. It's really cold, but I'm gonna warm up as soon as I start running. So I hope you enjoyed the video up until now. Watch my journey to 13.1. And yeah, thanks a lot for watching, guys. I'm gonna start here just a little bit. We're gonna cross the start line. Marissa is supposed to meet me somewhere on the course. But yeah, so anyways, here we go. It's cold. It's gonna be a good one. I wanna finish. It's gonna be my 10th half marathon. So thanks for taking the journey with me. All right, here we go. Walking to the start line. A and B have already gone, so C's up ahead, and then I'm in D, so we'll be the last ones to go. All right, here we go. We're next. All right, here we go. A couple of minutes.
How many first timers?
We're gonna start right there. All right, I should be there somewhere. Maybe, no, I don't know, I can't see myself. 5 minutes away. 7, 6, 5, 4, 2. Here we go! All right, mile 1. Calf is hurting a little bit, it's a little tight, but I'm just slowly jogging. All right, here we go. All right, mile number 2 down. Calf hurts a little bit, but so far we're okay. I'm getting ready to go down over by American Airlines Center. Mile 3 is a huge uphill. So here we go. All right, mile 3. All right, mile 5 is coming up. I just saw Marissa and the kids. Oh man. The calf hurts on the uphills. Second half of the race is downhill, so I'm hoping that it's gonna feel good because I'm walking a lot more than I had expected at the beginning, but every time I try to run a little quicker, my calf tightens up. So anyways, mile 5. What are you guys doing here? These houses are like insane. Man. Thank you. This is crazy. I wonder how much you guys live in this neighborhood. Seriously, look at all these houses. These are insane. All right, 10K. Right there's that 6.1 miles. Halfway there, basically. All right, halfway there. All right, so I just passed mile 7. The amount of alcohol, we have whiskey, we have Fireball, It's out here if you want it. All right, mile 8. All right, so I just passed the split to break off for the marathon. And then the marathon is now with us. So see all these guys that are running? Look at that. They make it look so effortlessly. They're running the full marathon. All right, mile 10, 3 more to go, and I am done. And if you're running the full marathon, you're at mile 23 right now. Those guys are cruising though. Kudos to them. They make this thing look easy. These guys. Look at those guys running. Good job. Way to go, marathoners. 11. 2 more. All right, here we go. Mile 12. 1 more mile. 1 more mile, and then the point 1. The point 1 is where it gets you. But anyways, I'm walking right now. So much in pain, but I think I'm gonna finish. This is my 10th half marathon, so I'm gonna get the medal. And I'm just proud of myself for even being out here, because as of Friday, I wasn't gonna make it. But I'm gonna finish. All right, I hear it. I got 1 more turn up here, and then it's to the home stretch. All right, here it is. Almost there. Let's go, Joseph! Finish strong, bud. There you go. All right, I just finished. Oh man, that was tough. Big kudos to my buddy Andrew. He helped pace me the last 1K, so thanks, Andrew. Time for me to get my medal and then go have my beer. Thank you.
Come on.
All right, here we go.
Yeah, baby.
Yeah,
Come on. There we go. God got you, baby.
well deserved. I didn't think I was gonna get it on Friday. Didn't think I was gonna get it on Friday, but you know what? I finished. I earned every bit of this medal, even though I walked a lot of it. Through the pain, finished number 10. So hope you enjoyed it. You guys have a great day, a magical day. See you guys later. Bye-bye.